how to edit and change your store default language easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First, open your browser and click settings, and here we'll find store profile. Now once you're here, all you need to do just scroll down, and here we'll find default language. Now click on it, and that's it. Select any language you want here, and or you can just enable automatic translation based on shopper's browser language, and that's it. Then just click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.